Alright everyone, hi Python developers, this is Shah, and in this tutorial your task or what we will learn in this tutorial would be how to turn on or off ec2 instance on a schedule from Monday to Friday, that is business hours only, so we can save money. So your company has asked you to write a Lambda function in Python so that you can automate this from Monday to Friday, from morning 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the evening. This Lambda function will trigger and the ec2 instance will be turned on, and after that it's turned off. So guys, let's get started without wasting much of time. So first of all, wanna demonstrate you the basics of my library that I have developed already. So wanna show you. Let's open the ec2 instance right this side. Wanna open the Lambda function on the next tab. So let me search for the Lambda function. Hope the audio is on. Yep, that's on. And Lambda function. That's fine. So here I have my events. So currently here you can see I do not have any instance. So let me just go to my instance if I have any computers or not. I mean virtual servers. Yeah, I do have one which is stopped currently. Now I'm gonna show you how to turn it on, and let's automate that, guys. Let's do it. So let me just go to my library that I have just developed, ec2.py. By the way, everything is there on my GitHub account, so do not worry about anything. Okay, so enjoy coding. That's what I want you guys to do. So let's see what this does. Okay, so I have a library. You don't need to worry about this, what and how it is working. So all you need to know is about 3 lines of code. obj.get instance. So basically this will get the instance of that machine ID. So if you have 10 computers, it will give you 10 ID and so on. So let's run this in the terminal. So I'm gonna show you like automation, like crazy stuff with AWS. You have never even imagined such kind of automation. So yep. So let's try to run this, guys. First of all, I'm gonna do ls and my ec2. Okay, so python 3 my ec2.py. so if you run this, you should get a list with the instance ID. Beautiful, guys. That's step 1. So we have Alright, so we have that in a list. Okay, I just printed that out for you. Let me do that in So guys, here's the thing. The more you practice physically, the better you would be. This is not like a luck. I mean, I am sitting for coding for 8, 9 hours. So there is nothing known as luck. You have to practice. That's what I want to say. So keep practicing. That's what I do, right? So first of all, we have the instance ID, right? Now our next task would be, we wanna write a function that can stop this, right? Or maybe can start this. Guys, do not worry. I have done that also for you guys. So you have to do obj dot. You can say start. Where the hell did start go? Oh, yeah, S is capital. Let me just correct. Yeah, right. So that should work. All right, so just want to make a screen a little bit bright. So start instance ID, and we will give this data whatever. So this will start the machine, right? All right, so let's see. I want to show you right now it's stopped. So alright, so let's run this and see what happens. So python 3 my ec2.py. So it's running right now. Here you can see, first of all, it's gonna print the ec2. Machine has turned on. Let me refresh and show you. And voila, we have the machine on. So here you can see it's pending and it's gonna turn on. So here you can see the status. Congratulations, guys. Good job. Good job. So the next job is you have to write some kind of function, a Lambda function. So this is an object-oriented code, right? So all we need is Boto3. Remember that. Now, since we know how to start and stop, I can just say stop as well here, right? To start and stop. Now we need to write our Lambda function, guys. So let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. So it's pretty easy, not that complicated. We need to give some roles and policies. So let me first go to Lambda function, by the way. Somewhere here. Lambda, right? This one, this guy right here. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Yep. So once it's loaded, it's loading. All right, my computer is pretty slow. So it's loading, still loading. So let's refresh this. Oh, see, it's kind of lagging right now. Maybe I have a lot of tabs. No. All right, so let's do this. Hopefully that will be a little quicker. All right, so that's Lambda function right there, which we need to make. So guys, what do we need to do? What do we need to do, guys? So first of all, we need to decide the policy. So open one more tab right there, right here. All right, so what do we need to do? We need to decide some policies. So IAM, we're gonna go to IAM, that is and we're gonna give some roles and policies. Right, so let's do that. All right, so I'm gonna go to roles. I have already given like the administrative access, but let's just create a scratch. So here I'm gonna go to Lambda. Where is Lambda? Somewhere on the down section. Yep, here you can see Lambda. Want to select that. Want to go to the next permission. Now you want to select the policy name, which is very important. You want to give administrative access. That means everything, right? You want to go to CloudWatch and just enable everything, like, I mean, for this example, I just don't want to complicate stuff. So Amazon Cloud Directory and whatever. And similarly for EC2, let's see, EC2 container full access. Okay, this should be fine. This one as well. Yep, just give full access to the EC2. Usually the administrator works fine for everyone, like it has like for everything, so it should work. So I'm gonna go to the next tag. I'm gonna leave this blank, and now I'm gonna give my role, let's say computer schedule. All right, so I'm gonna create that policy, computer schedule. So that policy is created. Now I will go to my Lambda function. Now let's write a new Lambda function from scratch. So I'm gonna say author from scratch, right? The function name I'm gonna write computer computer let's write computer schedule schedule. All right, so I'm gonna go to the create function right there, this little guy. So now, okay, the function name contains letters, numbers, hyphens, and underscore. You cannot give space, I forgot. Sorry for the confusion. Let's run this, create a function. Yeah, hopefully it takes time, about depending upon your internet speed. Should be quick. Oh shit, I selected Node.js. I'm using Python, not Node.js. So let me just go back and fix that. I'm not using like Node.js. So computer schedule, I'm gonna delete that, right? Let's create once again, create function. Let's write computer schedule, and here is a space. By default that computer like uses autocorrect, so Python 3.6, this should be fine, and I'm gonna run it. So I'm gonna write for the start instance. So similarly you can replicate for the stop instance as well. It's not like a big deal, it's the same thing. All right, so here we have, right now we need to write our Lambda function. Remember that. So what I will do, guys, is I'm gonna paste my object oriented code, this little guy, everything. All right, so essentially all of these, just gonna dump it. Like, wanna remove JSON, I don't need JSON, I don't need this return statement. We will write our program there. I will write pass for now. So this is the entire code that I have just wrote. And remember, we have a function known as Lambda handler. This is where you want to write the code for start and stop, right? So it's easy now. So I'm just gonna grab you wanna stop, right? So you say stop and wanna grab this code, just piece of these many lines, right? So wanna grab this. Okay, who's this? Yep, that's fine. So wanna go to that Lambda function and wanna paste it here. All right, now we need to make sure the indentation is correct, otherwise it will be crazy. So we have created an object, right? Now we get the instance. Oops. We get the instance, we print the instance, and we call the stop machine, right? That's all, right? Now we need to link it to the scheduler. So first of all, what I want to do is let me return like success. All right, so this should hopefully work, right? The name of the function is the same, right? This is the entire code, right? Now what I want to do is I want to attach a scheduler. I want to save this. Remember to save it. All right, now I want to go to the CloudWatch and attach a scheduler here. So I'm gonna go to the dashboard. Come on, why are you so slow? Okay, so let's do this. Let me just open the ec2 instance also on one tab, so we can see whether this is being performed or not. So the ec2 instance, right? And on the next tab, I'm gonna open the CloudWatch. CloudWatch kahan hai bhai? CloudWatch. Where is that? Oh yeah, right here, CloudWatch. So we wanna open that CloudWatch. On the right now, let's see the status of my instance. Hopefully, I think it's on, off, whatever. Stopped, I think. It is running right now, and we're gonna stop it through the Lambda function. I can run this and later on link to the scheduler. I can write a cron function for that, like a cron, so that it can be scheduled. So let's test it, right? So I'm gonna write a custom test function here. So let's name this computer stop. I can say, bloody hell, why the oh, was there an indentation? I forgot, my bad. Oh yeah, there was an indentation. I'm gonna say status, just anything, you know, just testing it out, nothing like fancy. So I'm gonna go here. I think that's done. We have done the job here. We have created, we have saved the model. We need to assign the policy, otherwise the Lambda function, so we're gonna use existing. Wait, what was that? Execution rule, not that. What am I doing? We have to assign a role. Here we remember created computer schedule, which had like the root privileges, so we want to save that again. And now hopefully if I run this test function, this will trigger my stuff and stop it. Hopefully, that is what I'm hoping, because it was working from my IntelliJ, right? So let's try it out. Alright guys, it is successful. You can see success, machine has stopped working. Let's see if it's really stopped. So I want to refresh that. All right, that's done. That's beautiful, guys. We have just made it. Now let's link this to the cron function. So, by the way, the code is there in the description. Feel free to download and play with it. This is how I write. I like to write object-oriented code. I've derived like classes and stuff, and I'm just like calling the class. That's what it's easy. I mean, it's not that difficult. So now, let's complete it. Let's complete this with the cron function. So I wanna turn the machine off every day at 4 p.m. maybe, whatever like that. So create a rule. Scheduled. I'm gonna go to the cron expression. Gonna go to the the documentation. You can refer it. So I have my notes right here. I've already written everything. So the first stands for minute, hours, month, week, year. So we have a wildcard also. So for more detail, you can read it. So see, guys, the thing is, I did not join any classes. I did not learn this from anywhere. I had to literally sit for hours and hours, try to figure out everything. So you can also do it. That's what I'm trying to say. Just sit, relax, sit and just try to study. Watch videos, take your notes. That's what I want to say. So here you can see minutes. So I'm going to give wildcards for the minutes. Minutes. Yeah, I want to, 0 minutes. Hour would be 0 hours. What was that? Minutes, hours, day of the month. So I want this basically every day. So I'm gonna give question mark. Month would be, I want it every time. So I'm gonna give star. That means every time. This is like a regular expression, I believe. Just like similar to that. If you know regular expressions. For days of the week, I want this from the business days. So Monday to Friday. So Monday to Friday. After that, I believe we have year. So I'm gonna use asterisk for that. And here you see my cron expression. So it's gonna trigger at this time. So this is minutes and hours. So whatever time I wanna, let's say at this time, or I can set my time whatever I want. So let's say 12. Just giving an example. Okay. So then I can go to target function. Select that function and just configure the details, give it a name, stop comp, which basically means to stop a computer, and create that policy. So here you can see stop comp has been created. Now at this date, automatically your ec2 instance will be turned off. Similarly, you can make it for turn it on. So hope you have enjoyed it, and the code is there in the description section, guys. Type it out, practice it out, because just watching video won't help. Typing will help. So make sure you type it out physically. And if you have questions, please let me know. I usually help people through TeamViewer and all. If I'm free, I try my best to help my YouTubers. So thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video.